Benchmark equity indices, the Sensex and Nifty, ended Monday's trading session in positive territory, supported by a sharp decline in crude oil prices and firm global cues amid hopes of diplomatic progress in the US-Iran talks. Investor sentiment improved after mediators Pakistan and Qatar issued a joint statement saying that the United States and Iran had agreed on a roadmap to reach a final agreement within the next 60 days, following 2 days of negotiations in Switzerland. Fresh foreign fund inflows, along with buying in heavyweight stocks such as Reliance Industries and HDFC Bank, further boosted the market recovery. The global oil benchmark Brent crude traded 1.66% lower at $79.23 per barrel mark. The 30-share BSE Sensex climbed 291 points to settle at 77,094, while the 50-share NSE Nifty advanced nearly 90 points to close at almost 24,103. From the Sensex pack, Tech Mahindra, Sun Pharma, Reliance Industries, Infosys and Bharat Electronics Limited were the top gainers, whereas Asian Paints, Titan, Power Grid Corporation, Trent Limited and ITC were the top losers.
The gains came out of the fact that the geopolitical tensions seem to be easing with the dialogue between Iran and US going on in Switzerland. And of course, the big change has been FII inflows. FII, surprisingly, last Friday, they injected close to 5,000 crore rupees, which was a very, very pleasant change. And of course, Reliance provided a lot of support. The buzz around the Reliance Jio IPO demerger, that raised the sentiment. We also saw IT stocks rebounding today. So all in all, not a bad day for the market. I think the markets picked up. There was a gap up, I would say, from Friday or Thursday when the American stock markets closed. And overall, the sentiment was positive.
On the sectoral front, barring consumer durables and FMCG shares, indices across the board remained firm, led by IT, banks, energy, oil and gas, auto, financial services and healthcare counters. In Asian markets, Japan's Nikkei, South Korea's Kospi and China's Shanghai Composite closed the session in green, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng ended in the red zone. European markets were trading mostly in negative territory on Monday. Meanwhile, US markets were closed on Friday on account of a holiday. Foreign institutional investors turned net buyers on Friday as they bought equities worth over 4,859 crore rupees.